Hi, this is Nageshni and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about my CTM, that is cleansing, toner and moisturization. So mostly people prefer to cleanse their face after makeup, but I mostly prefer before and after makeup. Both the ways helps me a lot to set my makeup for a really very long time, for at least 7 to 8 hours. So today I'm going to show you the products which are mostly used for the oily skin, and all the products are for the oily skin. So if you are having an oily skin, then keep on watching. And before starting up this video, let me tell you guys, this video is not sponsored. So when it comes to my beauty care, I mostly prefer all the natural products and affordable products. So today I'm going to talk to you about my Biotique products. I am in love with this product because these are 100% natural, paraben free, and all those natural stuffs are just into these. And so let's start. Biotique has this amazing stuff which is daily skincare collection. So let me tell you, the normal to oily acne prone skin has this purpley leaf, and the all type skin has this green leaf, and the normal to dry skin has this orangey kind of leaf. So as soon as you know which category you fit in, you can just see the color and you can just pick it up, which is really very comfortable, because when you are shopping, you really don't need to just read each and every detail. You just have to see your in which category you belong, and you just have to pick those colors. So yeah, so the first product I'm going to tell you about is the Biotique Bio Pineapple Oil Control Foaming Face Cleanser. So this is the packaging. It retails for 149 rupees, and I have been using this for almost a month. So as you can see, it is half empty, and this is the pineapple one. It smells amazing. It has pineapple in it, so it smells most of the time like pineapple for me. And this is really a very good product, because when I applied and give it a nice massage, it really makes my oil control for a really long time. And I don't have any oil those times, like for 5 to 4 hours, which is a very good. And I love this product. If you have a oily skin and you really need to get a product which is mostly pocket friendly, then please go try on this, because this is 100% natural and I bet you'll like it. So after your cleansing process, you always need a toner. So I'm using this Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan water. So basically, I don't have a large pores, but yes, I do have a minute kind of pores, but it's okay, it's normal. And it is cucumber, and this retails for, where is the packaging? Okay, it retails for 175, which is obviously very affordable. It is for the acne prone oily skin, and the packaging is very cardboardy, like normal package, but the product in it is really very helpful. As you can see, I have almost finished 1/3, and this is only for 1 month, so it might go for me for almost 3 months, which is very good for me. And it is cucumber, so the first time when you use it, you'll feel a tingling sensation in it, but it's just normal. After using for mostly 5-6 minutes, 5-6 times, you will be suited to it. And this is really very good. It holds your pores and tighten your pores, which is very good before applying your makeup, so which is a very good product. So I really recommend to use this toner. At least give it a one try, and I believe you'll love it. So for moisturization, I really don't use any moisturizer, because it doesn't work for me. And this toner really worked for me both the ways, like tighten my pores and give me a moist face and moist texture. So I don't use moisturization for, at least not for now, might be in the future. So till that I'm using this Biotique Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fragile Eye Gel. This retails for $1.99, a bit expensive from them, but this really works good. It claims it reduces dark eyes, under eye circle and a lot of things, but I don't have any dark circles. But yes, when it comes to under eye line, it really helped me. Like, I can see not a drastic change, but a minute change, which is good for 1 month time. So this is how the packaging is. It has a very liquidy and transparent form. It smells good. It is, I don't know how seaweeds smell, so it smells good. When you apply this on under eye area, it will kind of tingle you. You might have a itching sensation, not much, a little bit, but it's okay. It just means that the product where you're applying, it's working. So please do try this. And the most favorite product from Biotique is this BioBerry Plumping Lip Balm, Smooth and Swelling Lips. So this is a lip balm and it claims to plump and smooth your lips. I am totally in love with this. You might have seen my previous video. I'm using these chapstick a lot these days. I'm using this product from really very long time. Before all these cleanser, toner and eye cream, I brought this. It's been 2 months for this one product and I'm totally in love with it. This I apply before my makeup, while sleeping, while walking, everywhere you will see me in wearing these. And this claims to swell and smooths your lip. I don't know about plumping, but it kind of gives you a nice tingling sensation when you apply, which has an illusion that it plumps my lip. I don't know, I really don't need any plumping lip, but if you want to try in a cheaper way, then please do try. It retails for, where is the price? I don't know. What? Where is the price? I don't know where's the price, but I'll leave it down in the description box. And the products are pretty much very good. The cleanser, you get almost, how much ml? 120 ml for, within 200 product. So it's a good going for the first initial days. If you're afraid to apply anything on your face for first time, and your oily skin, and trust me, oily people really have a very difficult situation when it comes to their face, because we get oily, we get grease, we get pigments, we get acne, pimples, zits and all those bloody hell stuff in our face, and we really need to care it a lot. So I really hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, then make sure to like this video. I don't know what I'm saying. So if you like this video, then make sure to give it a like, and if you have any queries, then comment down in the comment section below, and please do subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Till that time, love and peace. Bye guys.